This is simple video how to start using Atom editor, text editor. First you go to this website atom.io and you will download Atom. It will be here for your system. My system Linux, yours may be different, so you just click and download which one applies to you. Then you can read later here more about Atom, and they have lots of stuff on it. I didn't even know. I just now looked more into this, and I can see there are so many packages from open source, so means free that new features and functionality to Atom add, and themes, but I never used those. There are simple pre-installed things and it's enough. There are also Atom editor tutorials. These are giving so much things if you want in the future to study Atom. It's great what it can do, but we don't need it for now. When you install that Atom, you just go into your programs and find it. It will look like this, and then you open it. First, you will see it will open probably like this, with welcome guide, without any of those. So welcome guide can be useful. You can choose a theme from here, open theme picker, and it opens settings. I would recommend there are a few themes installed already on this program. Usually I think it was dark, but I made it light, one light. It's just so simple. This gives for tabs and all those, like one dark. Let's see how it looks like. See, it will be very dark and hard to read, so I install one light, and then is text inside the editor changes also, dark or light. I recommend light. Just click maybe one light, or Atom light, also good. The others I didn't try. And that's it, and you're done. Here, if you want, you can open project, browse your files, or you can go like this, file, and click new file, and it will okay, it opens like this. No, I don't need this now. I need just new file, open file. Okay, yes, you click open file, and then you choose which one you need file, like this case explanation video, SRT file we need. I will give you file from video, a special file, and look, when you open it, it is here. You see, now you can do translation here. It's all saved, all formatting as it needed for YouTube. See? No, I don't pause. What you do here, you just go and type translation, Then go here, type translation, and you just see here it's automated translation English. YouTube did. They never put those period where sentence starts and finishes. In your language, if you can do, and because it's not automated, it's already properly done translation, so please, if you can do capital letter, and then when sentence finishes, put period on it. Not every new line from capital letter, no, only new sentence. Sometimes you have to look English text when you know the thought, like here, I know a lot of, it doesn't look good. So you, when you translate, you just translate on this line, I am Cheryl Staley and I know a lot, and then next line, of you are familiar with my husband Jim Staley. Okay, Jim Staley you can break, but better to put on the next line Jim Staley, or full name. You see, just follow the thought on each line to look it nicer, to like here, I just wanted on this line is better when you translate, yeah, and put periods, and then check everything. If you like what you did, then go and remove English text, just like this, and remove. I don't want to remove now, to destroy that file. So, and it's done. It will be okay. Let me remove. I will cut, okay, and then I don't know, just delete like this, and that's it. But now I will add again to keep it. So that's all. When you finish everything, just click here on the top, File, Save As, and then will be here the same title, but add your language, Espanol, let's say, yeah, or any other if someone will do watch this. So that's all, and then save where you want, everywhere on your computer. Now what else? When you save, will be still SRT file, then you send to me, and I will add to YouTube video, on English YouTube video, and people will click and see the subtitles. They have to click CC, closed captioning, and they will see. That's it. Very easy, you see. And if something you have questions, just let me know. Okay? Shalom.